Wag lang hahangin na malakas, 'di ba?
Ay, ano ka dapat kayo matapakan? Dikit dito.
Wait lang, humangin. Wait. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So now we are here at the registration area. So we're gonna climb Mount Palaypalay, or most commonly known as Mount Pico de Loro. So dapat pala may mga kasabay pa kami. But for today, kami lang ang aakyat. Lucky. So let's start with the orientation. We're now about to start our hike. And today, kami lang. Solo namin ang bundok. Can you believe that? This place used to have like hundreds of hikers every day, and they closed this
For renovation.
for renovation for renovation for how many years?
Kaya ilang years yun yung sinara nyo?
6
years.
6 years, and it recently reopened last year, January of 2023. Right, Kuya?
Apo man.
Tama ako. Nag-research. Ang Mount Pico de Loro ay usually paboritong akyatin ng mga first-timers. So, maraming hikers na ito yung kanilang mother mountain. So, pag sinabi mong mother mountain, ibig sabihin, yun yung unang-una nilang inakyat na bundok. Mahilig na talaga ako mag-hike, but this is my first time to hike Mount Pico de Loro. So, I'm so excited. And solo pa namin ang bundok. Time check, it's 9 a.m. and nadaanan na namin ay 3 station pa lang. Pero sabi naman ni Kuya, okay na yung ganong pace. Di kami masyadong nagmamadali since we're the only one na umaakyat today sa Mount Pico de Loro. Uy, in fairness, may signal. So, pasundot-sundot yung signal dito. Pero sabi nila sa peak, meron daw. So, try natin mamaya. Hingal na ako, besh.
Baliktad naman yung mic mo, nakaharap palayo. Dapat sa'yo
Hindi Marami daw nagpapakita dito. Ang sikat na nagpapakita dito ay tinatawag nilang si Lola. Kaya ginawan nila ng upuan si Lola. Hopefully hindi namin makasalubong si Lola. Guys, don't give up on your dreams. Wow! Malapit na tayo. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa view deck area. So this is in Station 8, if I'm not mistaken. Station 7 or Station 8. So, ito yung view deck. Pwede tayong kumain dyan. Medyo umaambon na. Akyat tayo. So, ayan. Akyat tayo sa view deck. Tingnan natin anong meron sa taas. Safe pa ba to? Lahat ng vlog na pinanood ko, lagi sila umakyat dito. So, huwag natin palagpasin ang pagkakataong ito. Umakyat ka rin, Sheena. Sayang umambon. So, hindi natin masyadong makita yung view. So, deck lang siya.
Walang view sa deck lang.
Ayun yung, ano nga tawag doon?
Ayun na yun, yung akyatin natin, yung pinaka-peak.
Oo, yun yung peak.
Yung Pico de Loro.
So, doon pa po tayo. Andito tayo ngayon, papunta tayo doon. 'Di ba? Ganun mag-hike, pinapahirapan ng sarili. Fun fact dito sa Pico de Loro, dito rin matatagpuan yung bulaklak na makikita sa likod ng 5 piso. Pangalan ng bulaklak ay tayabak. So, subukan natin if meron tayong makikita mamaya. Pag wala tayong nakita, insert picture. Insert picture here. We're now almost at the peak, and guess what? nagpakita ngayon si, ano ba tawag dyan?
Summit.
Si Summit! Kasi kanina super foggy, so ngayon, ayan na siya. I don't know if nakikita siya. Ayun. Wait, try natin i-zoom in. Yan. Yan ang Summit. So, aakyatin pa natin yan. Ngayon, later. So, dito bawal tanga. Pag nalaglag ka, bangin yan. So, you have to be really careful. Kailangan maging maingat. Wow! Ang ganda! So guys, can you imagine? Andito kami ngayon, and yung peak na yan,
Signage po yan.
yan pa yung aakyatin namin.
Yung nakalagay na
Summit.
Akala mo sobrang layo pa, no? Pero malapit na lang pala. So, parang pangarap lang yan. Kala mo malayo pa, pero andyan na yan.
malayo pa pero wala.
30 minutes.
Malayo pa, pero malapit na. Mga 30 minutes na lang daw. So, let's go. Ayan na! I can see it! Wow! Oh my! Maganda! What? So, andun yung pinaka-peak. Aakyatin pa natin yan later. Pero ito na yung view.
Highlights pa lang to.
Highlights pa. At saka doon, pwede tayong mag-take ng photo. Yung mga nakikita yung famous photo ng Pico, usually doon yun. So, puntahan natin. Perfect kasi hindi mainit. Malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Walang harsh sun rays. And it's not that cloudy. Nagpakita yung peak sa atin. Napakaswerte natin. Bawal tanga, malalaglag ka. Sakit tayo dito. Medyo nakakatakot. Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys, we made it. Wala pa tayo sa summit pero we made it to the area where saan nagpipicture. Oh my gosh.
Hindi pwede ang
Jump shot. Ang ganda. Thank you, Lord. What? Wait. What? Ang ganda. So ayan guys, we made it to the campsite at ito yung famous na spot kung saan nagpipicture karamihan. Kapag nag-search kayo ng Pico del Oro, usually ito yung view na makikita ninyo. So, yun yung peak at yun yung aakyatin namin later. Parrot Peak according to our guide. So, ayun, sobrang swerte namin today. Kami lang yung grupo na umakyat at napakaganda ng weather. By the way, if you want to climb Pico del Oro, you have to book online. Hindi na sila tumatanggap ng walk-in. So, might as well book way in advance. Like, at least 1 week in advance. So, yun lang. So, enjoy the view! Sheena, mag-ingat ka!
Batangas eh.
Bangin na po siya
Bato
for
Subugan, daming Tagaytay.
the content for IG.
Eto.
Uupo ako doon. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan sa buhay, di ba? Pero nakakatakot po talaga siya.
Huwag kayo kasi tumingin sa baba.
Sige pa, isod pa.
Ayan.
Huwag lang hahangin na malakas, di ba?
Ay, ano ka dapat kayo matapatay. Tigil dito.
Wait lang! Humangin! Wait! Dito lang. Diyos mio! So medyo buwis buhay po yung pag-take ng picture doon. Di ko naman inakala. Pero I'm so proud of myself because we did it. Nagawa natin. Bawal tanga dito. Kasi pag Pag nalaglag ka, bangin na siya. Kailangan na nating kumilos kasi meron pa tayong pupuntahan. Aakyat pa tayo ng summit. And, syempre, bababa pa. Pagod. Kapoy! Wala pa tayo sa tuktok.
Yan, mas maganda dyan.
May aakyatin pa tayo. Shana! Kapoy! We made it to the top! We made it to the peak! Congrats guys! Good job! Super windy. I'm so proud of myself. We made it. Na-miss kong mag-hike, in fairness. So third wheel na naman ako.
Game 1, 2, 3.
Tapos na kami sa peak and now pababa na kami and we'll have our lunch at the campsite. Medyo nauna lang akong bumaba. Yung mga kasama ko, andyan sila. But I can hear them. So, medyo mas mabilis lang yung pababa. But medyo nakakatakot siguro if ikaw yung tipo na madudulasin like Sheena. Pero okay lang. It's okay. It's really not that hard. Pero legit, napabilis akong bumaba kasi nagugutom na ako. Sheena, bilisan mo at gutom na ako! So if it's your first time hiking, I suggest you really get a good hiking shoes or hiking sandals. Meron naman sa Shopee mga mura lang. Like this, I got this for, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think 200 to 300 plus lang siya. And maganda yung grip niya, hindi ka masyadong madudulas. But the con of sandals, hiking sandals, walang masyadong ankle support. So kapag ikaw yung madaling matisod, so ingat-ingat din. Yung sa shoes naman, mainit sa paa, and kapag Pilipinas parang mas gusto kong mas okay yung hiking sandals. At saka kapag may madadaanan kayong like body of water like river or falls, pwede mong basain yung sandals mo, no problem at all, kesa naman sa shoes. Although meron din naman akong shoes, depende na lang kung saan kayo mag-hike. Woo! Saya! So that was our Mount Pico del Oro hike. It took us around 6 hours to finish the entire hike. We started at around 8 a.m. and natapos kami at around 2 p.m. So dun sa 6 hours na yun, kasama na yung pahinga, picture taking, our lunch break, and we were able to take some videos as well. So our pace was just okay. Hindi kami masyadong nagmamadali. As I said in the video, halos kami lang yung umakyat that day because it was a weekday. So that's a tip. If you want to hike Mount Pico del Oro, try considering a weekday because usually talaga napupuno yung slots nila. Usually if there's a lot of hikers, you can stay at the peak for only a few minutes to give way to other groups as well. So if you're planning to hike Mount Pico del Oro, you have to register online. So I'm going to leave the link below in the description box for you, and comment nyo na rin where I should go next. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye! Mount. Nakalimutan ko yung name. Oh, aja. Mainit sa paa and pinapawisan yung kilikili ko. If you are... Edit.